We're back at the Houston Museum of Natural Science to check out the Wiess Energy Hall. I've heard they've got some great interactive exhibits on energy. Much of the exhibit's focus is on the origin and production of oil and natural gas.
How that stuff forms all the way back in prehistoric times, how we find where it is, how we get to where it is, and what we do with it.
The hall is an immersive experience that lets visitors take a hands-on approach to understand what it takes to power the modern world. You can get a close-up look at a giant model of a tricone drill bit, or a better understanding of oil pipelines.
So that hall is very interactive, specifically because we're trying to get those kids up there, and you learn whenever you play, so it's meant for that.
Jobs in the energy field can be challenging and difficult, but luckily, you don't have to get your hands dirty in the oil field to get a better appreciation of how the world is powered.